Hi, I'm Nakia,
Hey, I'm Kalita.
Hi, I'm Natalie.
and we're back with a little bit of everything about the sound of OMS.
And we're back with a little bit of everything about the sound of OMS.
And we're back with a little bit of everything, but what is it?
Not intentionally.
Yep.
When it's on television, yes.
Oh, hell yeah. I mean, yes.
I wouldn't say like a sailor.
Kind of. Maybe not like a sailor, but maybe like second-hand man to the sailor.
Jordan Fisher.
Bruno Mars.
Wayne Brady.
I make new friends. It's hard for me to figure out how we argue. And so one thing that I really hate is that sometimes I'll let like my feelings go instead of talking about it with said person because I don't know how we approach arguments yet.
I'm perfect.
I like to be wrong and strong. It's kind of like a Caribbean saying where you're kind of very adamant with what you're saying, but you're dead wrong, but you stick to your guns. I do hate that.
Right off the bat, it's a strawberry acai refresher with lemonade.
It is either a pink drink, a strawberry acai refresher without the coconut milk, or a iced chai latte with almond milk. I can't do real milk.
Venti vanilla chai spice latte with almond milk. Hot.
I'm gonna say Michelle Obama. Yeah.
I'm gonna say my sister, so I can know how it is to be tall.
If I could, I want to say Jennifer Aniston. I just want to know what it feels like to be like that, like healthy.
Yes.
Yes.
I skipped classes in my freshman year of high school, and I was texting my best friend Lily, telling her, hey, you know, if I skip fourth, I have to skip fifth because I have the same teacher. And I was like, we could go to Wolfie's and get some food and then come back after lunch. And we were like all set. And then I was like, okay, meeting you by the door. And I accidentally texted that to my mom instead of my friend. And so when I got home, she knew that I had like cut fourth and fifth period.
I don't have any of those because I checked a billion times beforehand.
Probably erased from my memory, but if it's anything to do with me ghosting someone and sending a text to the person that I was supposedly supposed to be ghosting instead of the person I actually wanted to text, I'm sure that's happened to me many times.
No, I have no shame in my game. If I'm creeping on my own personal stuff.
No, if I'm creeping, I'm creeping.
No, it's too much work.
Neither are really a weakness, but if I had to choose between cookies or pastries, I'd say cookies.
Cookies.
Love pastries. I love pastries.
I love my voice, honestly. I feel like it's by far the greatest gift God has given me.
My sense of humor.
Man, self-love is hard. I love that I'm patient. Like I find myself to be a rather patient person. So I like that I'm patient. I like, people probably don't like this, but I like that I'm very methodical. When it comes to like preparation and planning. And I actually like my smile.
That as extroverted as I seem, I'm actually more of an ambivert. rather watch TV shows than watch movies all the time. And people are always just like surprised that I love musical theater as much as I do. That's always a shocking thing.
People are always surprised when I tell them that I was a cheerleader. That I'm only 5'1" and a half. That I love like rom-coms and all the mushy gushy gross stuff. Love it all. I love.
I watch a lot of cartoons. I mean, like cartoons, and I'm not talking like adult cartoons and anime. I'm talking like Trolls, The Beat Goes On, like cartoons that 5-year-olds would watch. Life is stressful, man. You need to let the inner kid out, so I think that's a little surprising. Don't really like coffee in particular. I'm not a coffee person. I don't know.
I would go base jumping in Greece. Yeah.
I would probably travel to a place that I've never been before.
I would go to the airport. I would get a plane ticket to New Zealand. Now, granted, I know that's probably going to take me like the day to get to the other side of the world, but I would want to go all the way to New Zealand / Australia and just try and get in everything I possibly can, like see all the sights.
It was the Grey's Anatomy season 16, episode 16 promo.
What's in my backpack? Travel edition.
Billie Eilish, Everything I Wanted, but on an hour-long loop, so it plays repeatedly for an hour.
It's not road rage unless you get out of the car.
Yes, I mostly talk shit though. I don't do anything about it.
No.
I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
I'd say Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen.
Hit me with your best shot, fire away.
I'll say Mr. Kate, okay, because she's got really cute like clothes, and I like her like her vibe. I think it's really cute, especially for where she lives. So, would it be
Raven Elise TV?
No idea.
Nikki Tutorials?
Raven Elise TV.
See, that's not a fair question, because I don't really follow a lot of makeup big YouTubers, so I would have to pass on that one.
Just be real basic. I like pepperoni pizza, maybe pepperoni and bacon pizza. But if I'm really going all out, then I like deep dish from Giordano's.
So my mom's friend, whom I love so dearly, used to own a pizza place, and they had this pizza that was chicken tomato Alfredo. It was so good. I wish I could have it every day.
Favorite pizza would be the Pacific Veggie Pizza from Domino's, but with the white sauce. So if you want to try that, don't do it with the red tomato sauce. Do it with the white sauce. It's so good. So good.
Lately, I've been really into the black matte lipstick from, I don't know if it's NYX or NYX. I don't know why. I really like it. I think I just like the contrast between the lipstick and my skin tone.
I believe it's L'Oreal, and it's called Devil's Matte. It's a red lipstick. It's really nice.
For the rest of my life. There is a red lipstick that I have Well, it's not really red, it's like a dark red, on the darker red, almost maroon spectrum, by MAC. I can't remember the color or the name, but if I had to have that one for the rest of my life, it would be that one. I wish I knew the number.
I think it's probably that we're all so different, but we're all very similar. I know that sounds weird, like a contradiction, but we're similar enough where we like the same things and we have the same vision and the same goals, but we're different in the terms of solving certain problems or tackling certain activities or obstacles, and I think that's something people really find interesting.
I think the best thing is the variety. You have 3 different people who are very similar, but also who are different in many ways.
Best thing about our channel is that we are very much alike, but very different. We all have our strengths and different strengths, and we have variety, so we have a bit more to offer as opposed to if it was just my channel. You know, it's kind of one-dimensional, but now we've got 3 dimensions. So yeah.
Hi, thank you for watching.
We really hope you enjoyed our video.
And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to like,
Comment
And subscribe
down below.
au revoir.
Adios.
Ciao. Bye.